Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name's Jansen Fancher with MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. And I have the privilege of showing you this brand new 2024 Cruisers Yachts 34 GLS. You've got the adjustable seat here on the transom, massive swim platform to hang out. Got your sink, grill, refrigerator, huge wraparound seating. Adjustable seat here. This will move backwards, just like you see there. Dual SIMRAD screens, of course, Axios joystick. Down below, we've got a nice size cabin, full size head. And then of course, in the bow area, we've got great wraparound seating. One of my favorite spots to ride. If you guys have any questions on this boat, feel free to give us a call. 573-365-5382. As for Jansen, thank you and have a great day.